Welcome to scholarshipdb.net channel. The Swinburne University of Technology, often simply called Swinburne, is a public research university based in Melbourne, Australia. It was founded in 1908. Its main campus is in Hawthorn, a suburb of Melbourne, 7.5 kilometres from the Melbourne Central Business District. Swinburne is the only academic institution in Melbourne that offers pilot training for aviation degrees. Let's have a tour around the Swinburne University of Technology Hawthorn campus. CH is the chemistry building located between the AS and ATC buildings and bordering Burwood Road. This three-floor building contains laboratories and offices for chemistry faculty staff members. The UN building, short for Union, is home to the Swinburne Student Union's office, the Swinburne Bookshop, the Hammer and Swine Bar, and a cafe. Behind the UN building is the ATC building, which is the Advanced Technologies Center. The building is nicknamed the Cheese Grater. It is home to research and engineering labs, animation studios, and flexible teaching spaces. The Advanced Manufacturing and Design Center is on the corner of William St. and Burwood Road. The AMDC building houses the School of Design, Factory of the Future, technology laboratories, and faculty offices. AGSE building is for the Australian Graduate School of Entrepreneurship, which offers postgraduate degrees, professional development, and short courses such as professional accounting, MBA, postgraduate entrepreneurship and innovation, and financial technologies and project management courses. The oldest building on campus, Building AD, is over 100 years old. It is the old administration building. Late Lab next to the library contains study spaces and computer labs, located at each campus of Swinburne, giving students extended access outside of library opening hours. The library building can be accessed from the atrium and houses many student services and study spaces. Library and Student HQ is your one-stop shop on every campus. Access student support services for all your course inquiries, including course planning, class timetables, fees, enrollment, assessment, exams, graduation, and library services. This is the Engineering EN building that houses engineering courses at Swinburne. This AR building contains primarily staff offices for the Center for Astrophysics and Supercomputing. It also has Haddon's Cafe and study space. Building TA, TB, TC, and TD are TAFE buildings, located on the north side of the campus. Building TC houses engineering workshops, teaching spaces, and the Department of Trades and Engineering Technology. Building TD houses lecture theatres, teaching spaces, and labs. Building TA houses offices, teaching spaces, and biology labs. Building TB houses campus workshops, as well as teaching spaces, offices, and a student lounge. Swinburne Place West SBW building houses the old student HQ with offices, classrooms, labs, and meeting rooms. Swinburne Place South SPS contains student residences on campus with restaurants, cafes, and a convenience store. If you find this video useful, please click the like button. Remember to check our website scholarshipdb.net for more scholarships. We post regularly, so please subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss out any scholarship opportunities. We are also on other social platforms. Follow us if you want to get scholarship news early. Good luck with your scholarship hunting.